Guys, it's Shira, and today I'm going to make a Christmas fireplace out of these boxes. You need tape, scissors, a sponge, craft paper, some paint. I'm using red, what is this? Flamenco red? I don't know. And King's Gold. And some boxes. The boxes are 14 by 14 by 14. So, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is create your boxes. One side you're going to fold them all in and tape them. And the other side you're going to fold in the 3 flaps and leave 1 flap out. And we're going to do that to all 6 boxes. So once you have all your boxes taped up, you stack them on top of each other and then you tape them together. See, they're taped together. And then with the last box, I didn't fold it up. I just put it over. And that'll be that. And then I'm going to take my craft paper and cover the whole thing and the back. So far that's what it looks like. So it's all covered in craft paper. And the sides I just used scraps. I didn't really care too much about the sides. But this is my mantle. And now it's time to paint the bricks. Okay, so on a piece of scrap cardboard, I mixed together my red and gold to get like a dull red. Because I don't want the red so bright. If you find a red that you like, then that's fine. Use whatever you like. And then you take your sponge and you put it in here like a stamp. Make sure you get all sides. And then you're gonna stamp on your bricks. So there you go. There's a brick. And do a little space and then another brick. And you're gonna stagger them. So I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. So there's your bricks. And you're gonna do it all the way around the front. Well, this needs to be taped back up. But yeah, we're gonna do all sides with our bricks. Okay guys, so this is the final result. And you can put the bricks on the inside, but I didn't do that. But you can do it on the inside if you want. But that's it.